Go home happy with the 2019 Kia Sorento. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this stylish Sorento, a smooth-riding road trip cruiser. This midsize crossover offers a versatile interior layout with 3-row seating, standard infotainment system, and advanced safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, 3rd-row seat, alarm, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor. Feel energized every time you take the wheel of this handsome Sorento. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.